Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 5, Chapter 1 Investigating Plant Growth. Our topic for today, how seeds grow. Let us revise the concepts. Life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. Seed is protected by an outer covering called seed coat. Seed contains small baby plant called embryo. There are some of the conditions for the growth of the seed that are moisture, warmth, nutrient-rich soil and the sunlight. Let's discuss about seed formation. Seed reproduces just like humans. Male plants release pollen, which fertilize ovaries, and the fertilized ovaries develop into the seeds, which then distributed to make the new plants. The ovary means the part of the plant that contains eggs, and as fertilized ovary develop the surplus of carbohydrates and the proteins stored inside the seed, and this will serve as a food for the plant until it develops its leaves. Next, the fertilized plant ovaries develop the hardened coat, and that is at the outside of the seed to protect them against the harsh environmental condition. Then the seeds can be carried away by the wind or the animals to create the new plants. This is the formation of the seed. Let's discuss some of the points of germination. When a seed starts to grow, it germinates, and this process is called germination. If the seed is given the right condition and the embryo inside the seed is alive, it will definitely grow. Embryo is the small baby plant inside the seed. The seed uses its food store to give its energy to grow. The seed shrivels and becomes small after germination. Shrivels means when it gets small and very dry. Germination is the process of seeds developing into a new plants. After seed is made it to the new location by the wind or the animal. As we have already discussed, when the seed is carried away by the wind or the animal to some other location and it is covered with the dirt, it begins its germination. Seeds are the living. There is a misconception that seeds are dead, but it is a living and it contains the embryo capable of germinating to produce the new plant. Seed use small amount of a stored energy. As we have discussed, it's use its food store. Here, it's the small amount of stored energy, the same, but the sentences are different. The meaning is same. To stay alive and waiting for the good conditions to begin to grow. The favorable conditions, then the seed begins to grow. Seed inside fruits designed to spread out through the environment and grow into the new plants, and this process is called seed germination. These are the stages in the germination of a bean seed, like seed absorb water and swells, seed coat splits, the first root starts to grow, the root grows down into the soil. The first root and the root grows down into the soil, then the shoot starts to grow, first shoot, and the shoot grows above the ground. The side roots grow and the first leaves grow. Seed grows a root to access the water underground. It grows a root to access the water underground. Next, the shoot or the growth above the ground began to appear. Seed send a shoot towards the surface when it grow the leaves to harvest the energy from the sun. Leaves continue to grow towards the light source in a process called photomorphogenesis. So these are the stages, and we are going to discuss some of the points related to that on the next slide. These are the stages. Seed absorb the water from the soil and provide moisture to the embryo. Plant cells inside the seed start duplicating. Enzymes get activated and embryo start getting nourishment. The first sign of growth in the stages is the tiny root that comes out of the seed. With the more and more nourishment, embryo starts growing. It's the time for photosynthesis. Growing plant open through the seed coat in search of the sunlight to start its own process called photosynthesis. Once the seed coat falls off, root starts growing downward to anchor the seeds in the search of more food and nutrients from the soil. Shoots growing upward towards the light, and we see the baby plant with the tiny leaves. And this process of growth of seed in plant is called germination. These are the same points as we discussed in the diagram on the previous slide. So these are the stages of germination of the bean seed. When water is plentiful, seed fills with water in process called imbibition. The water activates the special proteins and that are called enzymes, which begin to process the growth of seed. Environmental conditions required for the seeds to grow. How deep the seed is planted, water availability, the temperature and the sunlight. These are the conditions required for the seeds to grow. Let's observe the seed. If you soak the bean seed in the water overnight, what changes you see? You see that it start growing, it get bigger and softer, and it split open. All this happens because of water enters in the seed and makes it swell and softer. Seeds can live without germination for the years until the conditions are suitable. The oldest seed known to germinate was a 1300-year-old lotus seed found at the bottom of lake in China. Why do seeds need to absorb water? Seeds need to absorb water to start the growth process or the germination. Which part of a new bean plant grows first? The first root is the first part to grow. Suggest a reason why this part grows downward. The first root grows downwards to get the water and to anchor the new plant in the ground. This is in the diagram of the germination that we have seen that the first root is the first part to grow. The first root always grows downwards and the shoot grows upward. That is on the next slide. In which direction the first shoot grow? It grows upward. It needs to break through the soil to get the light. Why do you think new leaves start to grow above the ground? New leaf starts to grow above the ground because they need light so that they can make food for the plant. Why do you think seed shrivels and becomes small after germination? The seed shrivels and becomes small after germination because food store gets used up. When the food store used up, seed gets small and dried up during germination. Can your plants only grow from seeds? Do we need an onion seed to grow onion? Many of us have seen that onions sprout, root and shoot. The new onions grow from the onion bulb that we eat. We can grow plant from the other part of the plant, such as stem and leaf cutting and from bulbs and cones. So they are saying that we can grow the plant from the other part, that is the onion bulb. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.